We are in here After Effects. So today we learn about fade out audio. Here it's a video clip and this is audio. And if you want high quality music for your videos, then you can get this from Epidemic Sounds. Thousands of audio tracks and sound effects are available copyright free. Check the link in the description for more details. Now first we delete this extra audio on the timeline. Go here, cut this. Now it looks good. You see in the Premiere Pro audio layer show in waves forms openly. But in the After Effects, only the layer shows, until we open not its waveforms. We can do this by simply going here, clicking here, audio, and waveforms, and you can see here, these are audio waves. Now we fade out the audio. First, we go to the beginning of the audio, and add a keyframe at the start of the audio. Simply click on the stopwatch icon here and change the value to -50. Now go to some frame forward. And change the value again to 0. So you can see here our audio fading out. Now listen, this is a very smooth opening. You can adjust the speed of this with the moving keyframe. Now the same thing is due at the end of the audio. Go to the end and add a keyframe with a stopwatch icon. Go to some frame forward and change the value again to -50. So you can listen now. One more thing to do for smoothness. Select a keyframe and right-click, go to Keyframes Assistance, and click here Easy Ease. You can see the shortcut is F9. And the same thing to do with these keyframes also. So this is done. Check now for other After Effects tutorial links in the description. Please subscribe to a channel for more content like this.